Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about subtraction. So we have already learned addition, how to add the given numbers and how to arrange them according to their place values. Yes, now we are going to see the subtraction. The same method we are going to follow to do the subtraction. Let's see. Before that, we may recall what is mean by subtraction. So, subtraction means the result of subtracting one number from another is called the difference. What is subtraction? The result of subtracting one number from another number is called the difference. Okay, the other word of subtraction is difference. Okay, so now let's see the problem. Here we are given two numbers, some 78,347 and 59,475. Now we are going to subtract these two numbers, which means we are going to find out the difference of these two numbers. Okay. So first we have to arrange the given numbers according to their place values. Okay. So here already arranged. Okay. Now we can start with the ones place of digit. Here 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now you concentrate with the tens place, tens column. In tens column we have the number 4 and 7. If you see here, the 4 is smaller than the number 7. So we can subtract directly 7 from 4 because we can subtract any number from the biggest number. But here 4 is in the top of the 7. So we have to borrow 1 from the 100 place. Okay. So if I borrow 1 from the 100 place, that 4 will become 14. Understand? The 4 will become 14. When you borrow 1 from the 100 place, that 4 will become 14. Okay. So now we can subtract easily. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Understand? Next, come to the 100 column, 100 place. In that 100 place we have 2 because already in that place we had 3, but 1 tens we have borrowed to the tens column. So now we will have 2 in the 100 place. If you see that we cannot subtract 4 minus 2 because I told you that a number we can subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Okay. So at the top we have 2. So we have to make that number 2 as a bigger than 4. Okay. So we can borrow 1 from the 1000 place. So this 2 will become 12. இப்போ நம்ம borrow வாங்கினோம்னா 2ன்றது எப்படி ஆகும் 12 ஆகும். Okay. So now we can subtract 4 minus 12 because the 12 is greater than the 4. Okay. So எப்போதுமே இந்த first number வந்து greater-ஆ தான் இருக்கணும். Otherwise we have to convert that number into the greater. Okay. So now 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay. Now take the 1000 place. In that 1000 place we already add 8, but if we borrowed 1 to the 100 place, so now we have 7. So 7 minus 9. So we cannot subtract 9 from 7, so we can borrow 1 from the 10,000 place, so the 7 will become 17. Now the 17 is made greater than the number 9, so now we can subtract directly. So 17 minus 9 is 8. Okay, now here we have 6. Okay, here we have 6, so 6 minus 5 is 1. Understand, students? So before we start to subtract the given numbers, first we have to arrange the numbers according to their place values, then we can subtract, finding a difference from the right side to the left. Okay, which means we can start from 1's place. Okay, 1's, 10's, 100 and so on. Okay, now let's take the statement problem related to the subtraction. See the problem. Madan is working in a construction company. He is getting rupees 57,385 salary per month. Or per month he is getting 57,385. Okay, he is paying 48,500 for his family. So every month he is spending 48,500 for his family expenditure. Okay, so every month how much does he save per month? So what is the question? If the salary of Madan is 57,385 means he spent 48,500 each month for his family, then how much he will save per month nu ketirukanga. Okay, so avanoda savings evlo அப்படின்றப்ப we have to subtract. Okay, from எதுலேருந்து subtract பண்ணோம்? We have to subtract from Madan's we have to subtract expenditure of Madan from his salary amount. Okay, so here we can write the statement in the solution. Madan's salary is equal to 57,385. His expenditure is equal to 48,500. Now we going to difference, so I put the minus sign. Okay, so when we subtract from the 1's place, we will get 8,885. So how much he save per month? Yes, very good, rupees 8,885. Okay, students, thank you. Go through these problems, study well. We will see in the next class. Thank you.